It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning birds, morning Lolly the lamb, morning rabbits, morning Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter. There's Honk the car. Honk is very excited. Today is the day Springland has its parade. Morning, Swoosh Swoosh, calls Honk. Let's get ready for the parade. Swoosh Swoosh knew just what to do. I'll tell everyone in Springland to come and join in the fun. Yippee! Calls Swoosh Swoosh. There's Toot the boat. Morning, Honk, calls Toot. Good morning, Toot. I'm looking for the best place to have our parade, calls Honk. Honk has found just the right place for the parade. Swoosh Swoosh has called all his friends in Springland. Look, even Torty the tortoise wants to join in the fun. Please stand in a straight line, everybody, calls Honk. The parade starts here, and we all have to march around that tree and back again. Stop! Come back, everybody. We have to all start together, shouts Honk. Getting everyone in a straight line wasn't easy. Okay, everybody, now stay in line and follow me, calls Honk. Oh dear, not everybody is staying in their proper place. Poor Honk, this parade is not working. Stop! Go back to the start, everybody, calls Toot. Toot explained that a parade means people marching and people watching. Not everybody can march in the parade at the same time, says Toot. Uh-huh. They also have to stay in line, says Aki the octopus. I know how to help you, Honk. At last, Springland's parade was working properly. Honk was very happy. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoosh Swoosh. See you next time.